Hey everyone, and welcome. Get ready to put on your detective hats, because today we're going on a hunt for the secret codes hidden right inside your computer. It's gonna be fun. So, have you ever really thought about this? You double-click a file, and boom, a picture opens up. You click another, and a song starts playing. How does it know what to do? Is it some kind of magic? Well, not exactly. It's actually a super clever system of secret codes, and today you're gonna learn how to crack them. Okay, imagine I have a big mystery bag right here. If you reached inside without looking, could you tell the difference between a toy car and a juice box? Yeah, of course you could. The car is hard and has wheels, and the juice box is kind of squishy. They have clues that tell you what they are. Well, your computer needs clues just like that. And that is the first big clue to solving our digital mystery. Every single file on a computer has a special last name attached to it. But it's not a family name like Smith or Jones. No, it's a secret code that tells the computer exactly what's inside. Now, this secret code has an official name. It's called a file format. It's that little bit of text you see at the very end of a file's name. And trust me, it's the most important clue for your computer. It tells it exactly what kind of file it's looking at. Let's look at a real example. See this file name? Puppy.jpg? The first part, puppy, that's just what we decided to call it. But the second part, that little .jpg after the dot, that's the secret code. That's the file format. As soon as the computer sees .jpg, it thinks, aha, I know what this is. All right, detectives, you ready? First up on our investigation, we're cracking the codes for picture files. So here's where it gets really interesting. There are different codes for different kinds of pictures. First, we have JPG. You say it JPEG, just think of it as the photo code. It's perfect for pictures with lots of colors, like photos of your family or a day at the park. But then there's PNG, which you say like PNG. This one is the sticker code. It's special because it can have see-through parts, what we call transparent. That means it has no background, so you can place it on top of other things, just like a sticker. How cool is that? Great work, detectives! You've totally cracked the picture codes. Now, let's switch gears and focus on the secret codes for our favorite sounds and movies. This one is pretty simple to remember, I promise. If you see MP3, that's the music code. It tells the computer, hey, get ready to play a song. But if you see MP4, that's the movie code. That tells the computer to open up the video player because it's time to watch a cartoon or movie. See? MP3 for music and MP4 for movies. Okay, you might be wondering, why all these different names? Why can't we just have one code for everything? That's a great question. And there's a very, very good reason for it. And it all goes back to our mystery bag. Think about it. You wouldn't try to drink the toy car, would you? Of course not. That would be silly. Well, the computer is the same way. It needs to know which player or program to use for the right kind of file. So here's what happens inside the computer's brain. It's super fast. Step 1, the computer sees the secret code at the end, like .mp3. Step 2, it instantly recognizes, ping, that's a song. And step 3, it knows exactly which program to open up, the music player. It's a perfect plan that works every single time. Here's another awesome way to think about it. File formats are like school uniforms. If one school wears a green uniform and another wears blue, you know exactly which school everyone belongs to, right? Well, for the computer, the file format is the uniform that tells it exactly which classroom or program each file belongs in. Simple and super organized. You have all done such an amazing job cracking these codes today. So, to make sure we never, ever forget them, we're going to do a quick and fun recap. Are you ready? It's time for the format cheer. Okay, get ready to say it out loud with me. Ready? JPG is a photo. Awesome. That's our code for pictures. Let's keep that energy going. Here comes the next one. MP3 is a song. Yes, that's our special music code. And for the grand finale, let's bring it home. Ready? MP4 is a movie. Fantastic. You are all officially certified digital detectives. And just like that, you've cracked the code. You now understand the secret language of computer files. The world of technology is just full of amazing secrets. So now that you're a code cracker, what other computer mystery do you think we should solve next? Keep exploring.